Good morning. This morning we are at Pomfret. It is September 14th and I'm going to do a little bit of fall birding, and then I signed up for bird banding demonstration that they have here. So hopefully I'll get some shots of that. It's pretty cool. Right now it's fall migration, and a lot of places and a lot of Audubons have events going on, hawk watches. Last weekend, Rhode Island Audubon had Raptor Weekend. Tomorrow is a swallow cruise for the Connecticut Audubon, which I'm going to go on, which I'm wicked excited to do. This morning, as I said, I signed up for the bird banding demonstration. And throughout Connecticut and Rhode Island, different places have different little events, owl prowls, all kinds of stuff. So check those out, because it does help you, learn a lot of stuff, and it gets you involved, gets you outside. So I did a quick walk, and it's almost time for the bird banding. And as I did, I'm walking by here. You can hear that they've set up the bird banding, and they have an owl call right now to try to lure birds towards the net that they set up. When I walked through here earlier, it was very quiet. And now you can hear a lot of jays and a lot of other birds just like kind of pissed off. I'm gonna go register, and I'll be back. Cool. Thank you.
Almost out.
There's master bird banders. You take like a ton of years experience, and then you take an exam, and you have to pass it. And then under master bird banders, there's sub permittees. So like you have a permit to band under the master bird bander thingy. If you like grip their pads like right where the feet like meets the yeah, it kind of helps relax them, and then you can kind of. I forgot that they bite.
No.
Oh, ouch.
Yeah.
We do the banding so we can monitor migration patterns, where they go to, how long they live. And last time we had 2 recaptures. One of them was indigo bunting. We banded here in 2014.
Oh, cool.
Yep. And the other one was a goldfinch that was banded. It was either the fall of 2016 or the spring of 2017. Most likely it was the spring of 2017, because we usually get goldfinch up at the spring location. So indigo bunting, does it have streaking on its breast? Oh, it has wing bars. That's a youngster.
Yeah, it's a baby.
So indigo bunting, 2.
So I thought indigo buntings were brighter. Is it just this season?
They molt. Yeah. If we get an older male, they'll still have some blue on it.
Oh, so no color.
So
well, he may
any
have
molt?
some, but
I don't see any.
very little.
Wing.
Nothing in the wing.
Not a little bit in the head. Is that from
No, I think that's just
the net?
the net.
Yeah.
We'll get a wing and a weight.
Okay, fine. Well, let's
They put their head in a little thing.
Yeah, so we shove them in a little.
Banded, and we can figure out,
where they go.
yeah, and how far they come back and survive. Like that one we caught last week. It was recaptured. We banded it in 2014.
Oh, really?
So that bird's going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Vireo.
Huh? Oh, well, yeah. I mean, if you were this size and I was my size, you think it'd be a little scary?
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, you're not.
Already.
He's so cute.
Well, as I say, happily, these guys don't hurt.
And then also
What's cute?
Wow.
Prominent. As I say, this is a baby, and we can see he's molting on his head. That wasn't caused by the net. He is molting.
Do they migrate?
Yes.
So he's awful young, so is he gonna make it?
Oh, God, yeah.
Oh,
They lay
Yeah,
their-
yeah.
Oh, Lord, yeah. And actually, basically, when they're young, most birds, especially the songbirds, are actually bigger than the adults.
How many different sparrows are there?
Usually we just go unknown. In the summer during breeding season, you can tell because they'll have like a brood patch from where they sit on the eggs, so you'll know it's a female. Although with some species that's tricky because sometimes the males and the females brood. So, but at this time of year to sex a sparrow is really.
Someone can look up eastern.
The phoebes, I mean, they're beautiful. They're the strongest coloring is right now.
Okay.
And as I say, basically they change color. But you can look underneath.
Just like all the baby.
If you want to go closer, let's go.
We're not done with you yet. Yeah, I'm finished. Have that blue coloring during breeding season. And so spring and summer? Yeah.
So, bird banding was always awesome. Quite a few people there, and you get to let the birds go, and you really get to see, especially at this time of year, how different the birds look than they do in the spring. So you can see young and molt up close, which I think is really cool. It helps you understand what you're looking at a little bit more when you're seeing these birds in the fall and they're molting and you're seeing young, and they just look so different than they do in the spring. So that was awesome. So I am done for today. Have a great day and good birding.